Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a warm glow look. This is look number 4 using the Juvias Place Culture palette. Absolutely love this palette. Once again, this is a beautiful warm glow everyday kind of look with a double wing glitter eyeliner. I wanted a makeup look today that matches my new shirt that I got from Shein. Here's what it looks like. Isn't it adorable? It looks like my tiger kitty. I love it. Let's get started. To get started, I've used the WetnWild Megalast eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. And under the eyes, I have the Sheglam Insta Ready Under Eye and Face Setting Powder. Of course, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm using is from the 4th row, 4th eyeshadow over. It is this beautiful, warm brown shade. It leans orange. Like, I would say like a peachy, light terracotta shade. Yeah. So on a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to apply that in my outer corner and in the crease using the orbital bone as a guide. I am going to build this shade up. Once I have the desired amount of shadow, moving on to the lid, I'm going to be using the Sheglam Sunday Picnic Setting Spray and a flat eyeshadow brush. In the Juvias Place palette, I'm using in the 5th row, the 4th eyeshadow over. It's this beautiful shimmery champagne shade. I'm going to get the shadow on the brush, spritz the brush with the setting spray to get it wet, and I'm going to apply this foiled to the lid. I'm literally going to drag, press, and kind of paint this onto the lid. I'm also going to take it in the crease line and give myself a fake cut crease, if you will. I love the look of this. Look how pigmented and beautiful this shimmery shade is. It's so stunning. This palette is so beautiful. Now I'm going to go back in with the crease brush with a little bit of eyeshadow on it, and I'm going to blend that with the lid shade, and I'm going to reapply some in the crease, taking the WetnWild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette because the Juvias Place does not have a definite highlight, and I'm using this beautiful vanilla shade. It is matte in the 1st row, 2nd eyeshadow, on a larger, fluffier eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying that under the eyebrow, and I'm going to slowly bring what's left on the brush down into the crease. I'm going to slightly reshape the crease as well as blend the crease with the highlighter shade, giving that seamless blend from the crease into the brow highlight. I love this part of the look. It's so pretty. So once that's done, I'm going to wipe away the fallout that I might have had, the powder I had under my eyes. Once that's done, I'm going to be taking that really pretty warm orangey shade that I used in the crease, orangey brown, terracotta kind of shade. On the lower lash line in the inner corner, I'm using that champagne shade from the lid. From Sheglam, I'm using the Online Dual Eyeliner. It has a pencil side and a felt tip brush side. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with this, and then I'm going to use the brush side to do a wing. I do small strokes across the lash line, I should say, and then I'm going to kind of wing it towards the eyebrow, following kind of like the natural way that my eye is, if that makes sense, and just wing that. This eyeliner is from Sheglam. It's amazing. It's a nude eyeliner. These glitter LookAVE Diamond Shimmer Liquid Eyeliners are from Shein as well. And I'm using the gold glitter today. It's so pretty. So I just put a little thin line above the black line. I do go over this a couple times, letting it dry in between coats just to build it up. And I like the just overall pizzazz that it gives, and a little bit of a different texture, and I just love it. Absolutely love it. The Wonder Bond mascara from Rimmel. Today I chose not to do lashes, so I am doing a couple coats of this mascara right now. This is my favorite drugstore mascara. Now the eyes are done, so for lips I'm going to go in with the W7 lip liner. And it's just like a nude, pinky nude shade. And from Sheglam, I went in with this beautiful velvet lipstick, velvet shimmer, velvet luster. I can never remember, but it's called Deep Under. And it's a stunning nude lipstick. And here is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, found it helpful. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.